Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that EQTY token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, EQTY is a next generation platform bridging real world legal ownership with blockchain liquidity. Built on base, EQTY transforms how assets, identities and data are anchored, verified and traded, creating a secure foundation for tokenized real-world assets RWAs and on-chain compliance. EQTY delivers a modular framework with anchored proofs, verifiable identities, and privacy respecting compliance designed for businesses, institutions, and innovators who demand both transparency and trust. Through its ownable technology, EQTY enables assets to be represented on-chain, allowing real-world items to interact seamlessly with Web3 liquidity and DeFi infrastructure. EQTY project institution rating is 4.1, and this project audited by Ceretic and Hacken. EQTY token total supply is 291.04 million and circulating supply is also 20910.4 million EQTY token. EQTY token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.